Welcome back. In the real world, you rarely write a single fixed string. Instead, you typically deal with collections of data such as a list of usernames or scores. Today, we will explore the best ways to efficiently write multiple strings from a list into a file, ensuring each string appears on its own line. 1. Writing multiple strings via iteration. There is an approach is to iterate over your list using a for loop and call the write method for each item. Crucially, the write method does not automatically add a new line character. Therefore, you must manually concatenate the new line, \n, to the end of each string to ensure they appear on separate lines in the output file. 2. Using the writelines parenthesis method. Python provides a more direct method called writelines. This method accepts any iterable, like a list, and writes all of its string elements to the file in one operation. However, just like writelines does not add new lines automatically. You must ensure that the new line characters are already part of the strings within the list before calling writelines. 3. Writing lines without new lines. This example serves as a warning. If you call writelines on a list whose elements do not contain the new line character, all the strings will be joined together in the output file without any separation. Always verify your input list or manually add the new lines during iteration. To summarize, you can now handle bulk writing operations. We've been assuming the file exists for reading, but that's not always true. Our next lecture 23.05. Check if the file exists. See you there.